Welcome back to Dupe District, where smelling expensive doesn't have to break the bank. Today we're diving into Musamam by Latafa, a scent that's been trending because it's a very affordable take on Gucci Guilty Absolute, but with its own twist. It's got a good spray. Sure. What it smells like, Musamam sits in a rich, leathery, woody territory. Think dark, suede, damp forest swell after rain, and its deep, creamy woodiness that wraps around you like a soft, warning jacket. It's bold without being obnoxious. More smoke and earth than bright citrus or sweet sugar. Sure, it smells very good. Now the notes, top notes, saffron, mandarin, and lavender. Middle notes is amberwood, cedar, and geranium. And then the base is akigali wood, incense, and labdanum. It's not a fruity, fresh, or sweet crowd pleaser. Musamam is a grown-up, rugged, and a bit mysterious. Perfect for evenings, cooler weather, or any time you want to feel a bit more intense and refined. Projection is good, but will not torture the people around you. Longevity 6 to 8 hours. It will stick through the good part of the day. You can find Musamam on my website, only at Dupe District. Don't just watch the movement, be part of the movement.